Alright, welcome everyone. Another one of these Technic builds. I liked that little motorcycle I built a while back, and so I was looking around for something at similar price point, and this is what came up. I'm pretty sure I ordered this one from Lego.com. I think it was... this sort of put me over the top to get the free shipping. Let's say it's another... You can evidently make it into this too if you go online. They got you can order the instructions. You can not order, but see the instructions to make that. But I'm probably gonna stick with the regular old airplane. All right, so let's dig in and see what we got, and then we'll do like I've been doing here lately. It's the higher speed. Okay. Now this I think will be a one-day build. It's for 7 and up, so surely I can get this done in less than 20 or 30 minutes and speed it up properly. Got our stickers. King loop. Okay. Ooh, I know that's not good to hear if you got headphones on. Wings. 3 fairly small bags and not a very substantial instruction booklet. How many steps is in this one? 50. Dang, I'm bleeding. Looks like 55 steps. Alright. Go make sure that's not fresh blood. And I'll null this out and we'll get this rolling. Be right back. folks, there we go. Got the, as you roll it around on the ground, the propeller will spin for you. That's pretty cool. Got the, hadn't really looked at, I could, this will be handy. Yeah. That's a pretty nice little build. And I'm going to be straight with you. This was the second time I built it, because for the first time on my YouTube channel, I did not show the repair because it was such a catastrophic failure. It was literally on like step 3. I put this one in sideways, then built all the rest of it around it, and it basically had to unassemble the whole thing to get it reassembled. So I didn't show you that one because that was just, it was basically undoing and redoing everything. But otherwise, it went really smooth. Like I say, that's right up there with the motorcycle. As far as, it's got got the gear cog action going in there. Got the, and if you're a Miami Dolphins fan, you should be happy with that too. For my American viewers. But anyways, that's, like I say, I think $12, $13, definitely worth it to me. I enjoyed the build. I think it's going to be a good display piece, and anytime kids come over to visit, now it's something to play with for sure. But with that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.